In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Google Pixel phone before selling. It's the best method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to go ahead and do is go over to our settings application. Now, bear in mind that you can do this on literally any Google Pixel phone that you have. But from here, go ahead and scroll down to system. In my instance, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go to general management. Then once you're in system, all you want to do is tap reset options. And for me, I'm just going to see reset. So go ahead and click on that. And then all you want to do is select erase all data or factory reset. I'm going to see factory data reset, which is at the bottom of mine. It's going to be checking a few things. It's going to show everything that it's going to be deleting. And then all I got to do is press reset at the very bottom. And all you're going to do is review the list of accounts and data to be removed, then tap erase all data in the bottom right corner. Then it's going to ask you for your lock screen PIN or password to confirm your identity, and then tap erase all data one more time to begin the process. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials as well.